Hello. I am researching task general approaches to neural dynamical modeling. Neural dynamical models, or NDM, represent neural activity as a dynamical system. NDM approaches are commonly used to relate neural activity and subject motor behavior, and to generate accurate neural activity estimates for signal reconstruction and prediction. Shown here is an example NDM paired to a closed-loop BCI, where neural activity estimates and subject behavioral information produced from the NDM is used to augment the BCI decoder. Prior NDM research has been limited to modeling neural activity collected during a single subject behavior or small set of subject tasks. This has so far limited NDM models from behavioral generalization, or the ability to model the dynamics of neural activity collected over a wide range of subject behaviors. I am creating a task general NDM by training recurrent autoencoder models to reconstruct ECOG data collected during unconstrained subject behavior. Specifically, I've trained a modified version of LFADS, a particular RNN-based generative autoencoder, to reconstruct motor and premotor cortical macaque micro-ECOG signals over a multi-day free behavior period. Example reconstructions of 200 millisecond ECOG traces are shown on the right in orange, overlaid on their target sequences, which are shown in blue. An AR model trained to reconstruct the same training set is shown in green. One can see that the autoencoder outperforms the linear method and generates accurate reconstructions of the input sequences. However, the model's performance appears to be frequency dependent, reconstructing slower components of ECOG data more accurately than fast components. To better characterize the relationship between reconstruction bandwidth and accuracy with this model, I compared the power spectral densities of model outputs to the PSDs of target sequences. I found that model performance was in fact band limited to lower frequencies. Wider bandwidth outputs led to more accurate reconstructions, as shown on the left. Our explorations over model architectures have shown us that output bandwidth and reconstruction accuracy are primarily dependent on the width of the model RNNs, i.e. the number of hidden units in each RNN cell. Given the apparent dependence of reconstruction performance on RNN width, my next steps are to produce a new autoencoder architectures that more readily produce broadband reconstructions without as strict of a dependence on model parameter scale. This is important for creating NDMs that produce maximally accurate reconstructions of neural activity. Two considered approaches are one, the use of multiple parallel modified LFAD cells on band-limited filtrations of target ECOG sequences, and two, augmenting the model with input and output convolutional cells. This work has been carried out with the support of my advisors, Amy Orsborn and Ellie Schlieserman. I also acknowledge these funding sources and fellowships. Please reach out to me about my work at the email address shown below. Thank you.